In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your MariaDB or MySQL version using PMyAdmin and Hostinger's hPanel. Understanding the version of your database is critical for ensuring compatibility with software applications and making informed decisions about updates and maintenance. Now let's dive into these steps together and make this as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to access PMyAdmin, a popular tool for interacting with your MySQL or MariaDB databases through a web interface. For this, you need to start by logging into your Hostinger hPanel. If you're not familiar with hPanel, it's essentially the control panel from where you manage your website's hosting details, a very user-friendly place to oversee everything. Once you're in your hPanel, direct your attention to the left-hand side, where you'll see options like Home, Emails, and several others. Here, you want to click on Websites, and then head to the dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your site's settings. Now, on the sidebar, hover over or scroll until you reach Databases Management. This section is crucial since it holds all the information and tools you need to handle your databases. Go ahead and click it. After you land on the Databases Management page, you should see a list of your databases. Find the one you're targeting, the one you want to check the version of, and you should see an option beside it labeled Enter PMyAdmin. Clicking this will launch PMyAdmin for that specific database, giving you direct access for managing and manipulating your data. With PMyAdmin open, the next thing we'll do is run a simple version query. Look at the top menu of PMyAdmin and click on the tab that says SQL. This section allows you to run SQL queries directly on your database, a powerful feature for database administrators. In the provided text box within this SQL tab, you'll want to input a specific query. Select version, a straightforward command designed to return the current version of your database. Once you have typed it in, look for a button, usually positioned right below the text field, labeled Go. Clicking Go will execute the query. Within moments, PMyAdmin will display the results just below the query box. You'll see something like 10.5/12 MariaDB, or another number indicating your database version. This result is the information you were seeking. Understanding which version you're running is the key to optimizing and troubleshooting your database. It guides you on what features are available and what upgrades might be necessary moving forward. Keeping this information handy can significantly help when you're planning future upgrades or need to troubleshoot any database issues. That wraps up our tutorial. Hopefully, this guide has been clear and helpful in navigating your way through PMyAdmin and Hostinger's hPanel. Thanks for watching.